I really enjoy hearing Billy talk just because I think it's fun hearing him drop the expletives.
Billy DeMoss, he gives it all, he lays it out there, and that's what I love.
I really like Josh Axe. He was very informative and also entertaining.
Dr. Josh Axe, love that guy.
Dr. Axe, I was surprised that I was going to be like a little more maybe not as interesting, but I was pretty interested by it.
Dr. Chestnut is always a rock star.
Dr. Chestnut was awesome.
Steve Judson was probably the great way to start it off.
Like a lot of Brad Glowacki stuff. Dr. McCullough.
I was really excited to see that Dr. Riekman is speaking this year.
I love Sherry Tenpenny, she's amazing. Ben Greenfield, I follow his program. Suzanne Humphreys, she's amazing. Billy DeMoss, he's got a lot of energy. So many people.